Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I will be reviewing the Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Face Mask. I know that I am very late in reviewing this mask, but trust me, this is one of the best masks that I have ever bought. This comes in a plastic tub with a golden screw cap. When you open this, you will find a white protection lid. When you further open this, you will find the product inside. You can see there's only a little bit left because I use it very often. It is dark grey in color. Usually charcoal face mask comes in a black color, but this one seems to be in a very dark grey color. Apply this on a clean face. This is very smooth. There is no tugging or pulling while applying it. As you can see, it applies very smoothly. There is a very mild smell. It will not hurt any sensitive noses. I absolutely love the formula of this. It applies seamlessly without any mess. I never thought that Good Vibes face mask would work on me because most of the ready-made face masks won't work on me, but this one is just impressive. I use this very often, especially before applying makeup. Why is because it sucks out the oil and deeply cleans the pores. Wait for 10 minutes for it to dry. This is how it looks exactly after 10 minutes. I am using a cloth to remove my mask. The packaging says excellent for purifying and deep cleansing the skin. Activated charcoal draws out all the dirt, impurities and bacteria that is deep seated in the skin and keeps the skin flawless. And that is what it exactly does. It does what it says. I am really very much impressed with this product, guys. This product is free from parabens, sulfates and mineral oil. It is also cruelty free, which is a very good thing. It is priced at Rs 225 for 50 gram of the product. I think this is really cheap because paraben free products are kind of costly, but this one isn't, and you can always get this on discount at the purple.com app. I'll be buying the 100 gram tub next time when this one gets over. This face mask instantly brightened up my skin. It feels clean, oil-free and flawless. If you have oily skin, then you can apply this face mask thrice in a week. If you have dry skin, then you can apply this face mask once in a week. If you have very dry skin, then stay away from this one. I will leave a link in the description box if you are planning to buy this online. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.